Just make sure you don't choose a platform that requires you to dress up as a banana to teach your course. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to create and teach an online course. Online courses have become increasingly popular in recent years, providing a convenient and flexible way for students to learn new skills and gain knowledge on a variety of topics. As an online instructor, you have the opportunity to share your expertise with a wide audience and make a positive impact on their lives. But where do you start? Step 1. Choose a topic. The first step in creating an online course is choosing a topic that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. It could be anything from cooking to coding to crocheting. The sky is the limit. Just make sure it's something you will be able to talk about for hours on end without getting bored. If you're not sure what topic to choose, make a list of your interests, hobbies, and expertise and see if any of them could be turned into a course. You can also do some market research to see what topics are in demand or check out popular online courses in your field to get some ideas. Just make sure you don't choose a topic like how to fold fitted sheets into perfect squares. Trust me, no one wants to see that course on their recommended list. Step 2. Choose a platform. Once you've decided on a topic, the next step is choosing a platform to host your course. There are plenty of options out there, such as Udemy, Coursera, or even just creating your own website. Choose one that works best for you and your needs. Research the different platforms and see which ones offer the features and support that you need. Consider factors such as pricing, student demographics, and marketing options. You can also ask for recommendations from colleagues or do a trial run with a few different platforms before making a decision. Just make sure you don't choose a platform that requires you to dress up as a banana to teach your course. That's a surefire way to turn off your students. Step 3. Create your course content. Now it's time to start creating your course content. Break it down into manageable chunks and make sure to include plenty of engaging multimedia elements like videos, slideshows, and interactive quizzes. Don't forget to add some humor in there too. A little laughter goes a long way in keeping your students engaged. Start by outlining the main topics and subtopics that you want to cover. Then, think about the best way to present each piece of information. Will a video be more effective than a slideshow? Could you create a quiz or a hands-on activity to help students better understand the material? Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. Make sure to avoid using too many cat videos as multimedia elements. While they may be entertaining, they might not exactly be relevant to your course material. Step 4. Teach the course. When it comes to actually teaching the course, the key is to be as organized and prepared as possible. Create a lesson plan and stick to it, but also be flexible and willing to adapt if you need to. Remember, you're the expert, so don't be afraid to share your knowledge and insights with your students. To keep your students engaged, try to vary your teaching style. Use a mix of lectures, discussions, and interactive activities to keep things interesting. You can also encourage participation by posing questions or asking for feedback. Finally, don't be afraid to have a little fun. A little humor can go a long way in keeping your students interested. Step 5. Have fun. Teaching an online course can be a lot of work, but it's also a rewarding experience, so kick back, relax, and enjoy the ride. If you're feeling overwhelmed, remember to take breaks when you need them, ask for help when you need it, and don't be too hard on yourself. The most important thing is to stay true to your passion and share your knowledge with your students. And remember, if all else fails, you can always just turn a pre-recorded video of a talking dog and call it a day. Your students will never know the difference. Congratulations on taking the first steps toward becoming an online instructor. With dedication, hard work, and a little bit of creativity, you'll be well on your way to creating and teaching a successful online course. So don't be afraid to take the plunge and share your knowledge with the world. In conclusion, creating and teaching an online course can be a challenging but rewarding experience. By following these steps and being prepared to adapt as needed, you can successfully create and teach a course that engages and educates your students. Whether you're an experienced instructor or new to the world of online teaching, don't be afraid to take on this exciting opportunity and share your expertise with a global audience. Good luck on your journey to becoming an online instructor.